Today, we're going to study how 1 inch is divided into smaller equal parts. 1 whole inch is made up of 16 equal divisions. Each of these divisions is called 1/16th of an inch. On a ruler, these are the shortest lines you can see. Now, let's build it step by step. 1/16th is the very first small mark after zero. 2/16ths, when simplified, is called 1/8 of an inch. This is slightly longer on the ruler. 3/16ths is the next mark after that. 4/16ths simplifies to 1/4 of an inch. You may also hear this called a quarter of an inch. We continue counting. 5/16ths, 6/16ths, which is also called 3/8, 7/16ths, and then 8/16ths, which is exactly at the center of the inch. This is the longest middle mark and it equals 1/2 inch. After the half, the pattern repeats on the other side. 9/16ths, 10/16ths, which is simplified to 5/8, 11/16ths, 12/16ths or 3/4 of an inch, 13/16ths, 14/16ths or 7/8, 15/16ths, and finally 16/16ths, which completes the whole inch or simply 1 inch. To make this easier to remember, the shortest lines are 16ths. The slightly longer lines represent eighths. The longer lines mark the quarter, and the longest line in the middle shows the half inch. By understanding these divisions, you can read any fraction of an inch on a ruler with confidence, whether it is 1/16th, 1/8, 1/4, 1/2, or any fraction in between.